Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Folks, gather round. We've got some interesting news coming out of Berkshire Hathaway's 13F filing. Warren Buffett's team just reshaped the firm's portfolio in the first quarter, and it looks like they're making some big changes. So what happened? Well, it turns out that Berkshire Hathaway completely exited their positions in financial companies Citigroup and Nu Holdings. Now, you might be thinking, why would Warren Buffett, the master of value investing, get rid of his exposure to digital banks? And that's exactly right. By ditching Nu Holdings, Buffett is essentially taking a step back from the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. As we all know, Warren Buffett has been a long-time skeptic when it comes to Bitcoin. He's even called it rat poison squared. But by exiting his position in Nu Holdings, he's showing that his team is willing to take a closer look at this space. And who knows, maybe they'll come back around. Now let's take a look at the other big changes. Berkshire Hathaway reduced their stakes in Formula One, T-Mobile US, Bank of America, Capital One Financial, DaVita Inc., and Charter Communications. But what's interesting is that they added to positions like Pool Corporation, Constellation Brands, Domino's Pizza, Heiko Corporation, and Sirius XM Holdings. These additions are a big deal because they show that Berkshire Hathaway is still committed to their core values of value investing and long-term growth. And by adding to these companies, they're showing that they believe in their potential for success. But the real question on everyone's mind is, what does this mean for Bitcoin? Well, as I mentioned earlier, Buffett's team is taking a step back from the world of cryptocurrency. So, it's likely that we'll see some volatility in the price of Bitcoin in the coming weeks and months. That being said, if you're looking to invest in Bitcoin, now might be the time to do so. The market is always unpredictable, and sometimes it takes a little nudge to get things moving. And who knows, maybe Berkshire Hathaway will come back around to their old ways of investing in cryptocurrencies. In any case, this is definitely news to keep an eye on. Warren Buffett's team is known for making smart investments, and we'll be keeping a close eye on how they play out. That's all for today, folks. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and as always, keep your eyes on the prize.